It's that time of the year. So I bring out the Emerald Crate thing I got. Okay, so remember or don't know, I shot this from by Kay as an SHF or a post-apocalypse thing. I usually open it and all that. So, I should show what it is. It's one of these Emerald Crate things. It's open. Okay, so what I want to take out, what I want to keep in. Okay? One thing I have, baby shops, the small SHF thing, that, a few lighters, a few okay, that doesn't work anymore. So good news. First thing I'm putting in here, these. A few things. Wait, is this the... What's this? I forgot what this is. Oh, this is the... I was looking for that too, by the way. It's the straight razor I got. No master cutlery thing. What do I want to take out? I have this, which is pretty cool. I have these, which are pretty cool. Portable Aqua. Okay, a water bag thing. 3-piece tactical whatever. A lot of... I have my more cans ball in here. What this is. Okay, Dave Canterbury thing. Hunting roundabout. Gig thing. What is this? I forgot. No, really, what is that? That has a mini hook thing. Some cords. Jordan Jones signature cords and more things. A micro tool and Joe Flowers signature cord. Got some portable Aqua in here. Got me plenty of stuff for whatever I need. I got me some scissors, some bandages. So that. I got 2 of these. Actually, I'm probably going to take one of these out because I might want to use one very soon. I have this wallet thing. So that's pretty cool. Sewing kit. You know what? I have better quality one. I'm going to just put that one in there and just... Actually, no, this would be easier to use. I got the roundabout eating tool. So, yeah. Some matches. I have a bunch of good workshop stuff in here. I know that for a fact. I have that. Where that is. I have a bunch of cordage. I have that. I have some of these prep mills in here. I have this, which is pretty cool. Tiny swallow cord. As you see, 17 last ditch tools. So yeah. And all that. I'm going to put this in here because, yeah, that one... Oh no, right? Now let me get this to where I need it to be. If you're wondering, this is a small little solo kit thing from... I don't know what I actually kept in here, actually. Cotton balls, that. Oh, I have this in here too. Which is probably a way better quality one of that. I have some fishing, I guess. Some cord. etc., etc. Okay. A little fishing kit, I guess. I don't know. Got this in the SHF mystery box one time. Home for another one. Let me get. This is a seat. That's useless. I'll keep it in there just in case I do decide, hey, I got a small snare game and survival snaring thing. I have this. I have the roundabout spring trap thing. I'm gonna actually just these are for whatever. I have fork and knife and a spoon. I'm going to rearrange these. I have a small little thing I got, I don't know when. But yeah, as you see, doing snare traps. Some good for fishing, hunting, and such. Yeah. Oh, one of those crank lights, good. I'll crap ton of these since they're good to have. Some dollar lights, tea lights, this side compass. Of course, if you know me, I have a crap ton of these. So yeah. Let's put a lot of these small ones like in here. I have this. I already have one of these, so I can pretty much use this one, I guess. Okay, by the way, I don't like these because, okay, you see that? You see the thing sticking up? That is actually the fill rod. The rest of this is bullcrap. I got some of these. Grim Workshop, put these back into the thing. I like these. And put these in here. Yeah. Where did I go along? I have this. Mostly bivy sack. Which can be used whatever. I have more cordage. More of these cords. Some soap. 2 of them. I have the older version of that. Plus the game, I have some slingshot ammo. I have that. Where did I go all along the way? What? What is this? Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. I put the newer version in here. So I do have that. I have Way to Hunt. And I also have arrows. So, yeah. I'm using the older version. I used the one I got from the Good Workshop thing in there. So, I have hunting, I have fishing. I have pretty much what I need. I have the ammo, the little balls for this. So, yeah. I have these are actually for the thing right here. To replace. So, right? That's something that's important to me. Something very important. That is very, very important to me. Okay, so what I want to add and take out. You know what I do? Since I'm not going to ever use this for anything, I'm just going to go ahead and just use and put this in here. Right? I'm going to put the bobbers in here because, well, I might need some bobbers for fishing. This is basically my, if I was in a post-apocalypse, what would I want? Type thing. Let's see what I want to put in here. Not really anything, to be honest. that's done. What I should actually be doing, and I mean it. By the way, this is a fishing line, actual fishing line, and I kind of don't need the box because that's actually kind of, but yeah, I do this occasionally. It's gonna take like a crap ton of time. I don't know where I got this actually, but yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna rearrange some stuff. By the way, this is a wallet thing that is the MSRP of a crap ton, according to Glen Workshop. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know where I got this actually. I have no. Actually, no, I got this from here. I'm not mistaken, the original. Is that? Where did I go wrong when? How to save a life. I'm assuming Bud K. I have to assume Bud K. It's a seat, by the way. This is a water bag, and that's a good thing, just to have, because you don't know when you need water. I have these because I actually want to rearrange a lot of this stuff just so it's more flat. This is good quality. This is good high quality type cordage. Let's put this right there. This grasshoppers at home cooking, and one of those. Yeah. This is actually I need because this. Let me show you what this has. Oh, by the way, I have a more cans ball in here. That's my expensive freaking one. This, if I'm not mistaken, I got from Bud K. It's a small little knife with some cordage. So you don't know when you're gonna. I'm not gonna like wear this. I'd rather just prep it. Even if my descendants find this, they're good. They are Gucci. They are Gucci Mane, Gucci Selmo, etc. So, yeah. I'm putting these in here because I need lighting. Where did I go? Yeah, I got like a crap ton of these. Because these are really good. Hemp cord is very strong. So, yeah. This is from a kit, I guess. But yeah. Where did I... Oh, by the way, you can use this to, Okay, I had to put something in here. Yeah, you can, as you see, gravel, coarse sand, charcoal, fine sand, you can, this is water filtration, so that's actually a good thing. And by the way, if you're wondering, yes, this is a standard one. Yeah. Better quality than what you get. This is a whistle, by the way. So yeah. I had to, right. And I really can't put this here. It would just, because I need a water bag, too, so. And I'm not going to use it for anything except for whatever. So yeah, hopefully that stays like that. But let's do this. So I want to put something else in here. I'm going to put this in here since it's a saw also. And it's actually not that heavy. I have plenty of things. So let me just put some of these in here too. Because this is going to be a really nice thing just to have with me. Then the rest I can just use for whatever I need. Now, you know what? Someone's telling me to put this in here. This right here. In here. The self-defense spear cord. Because you do not know. So, yeah. Anyway. thank you for watching. Wow, under 20 minutes. That's nice. I'm going to keep this with me, because why not? So, yeah. Anyway, let's see if I can actually close it. I do have some of the stuff from the ReadyWise stuff in here. As, hey, what if I need something to eat? They have like a 20-something year shelf life. Or more, depends on how you have them. So, yeah. Anyway. Actually, I should show the cannonball knife. Wherever that may be. Uh-huh. More cannonball survival kit. To where, as I said, I have a better quality thing. You see? For bushcrafting or whatever. I decided to want the better quality one in here. By the way, a sharpener for this. Nice. So, yeah. Anyway. Thank you for watching. Yeah, by the way, I have like 1 or 2 more of these in here. Oh, I forgot. What? Oh. I actually forgot. Oh, wow. This is where this went. Holy crap. Holy crap. Look at that. I have this too. The UST Spork thing. Yeah. So, what do y'all think? Like, of this for the new 611? I might actually take this out. No, you know what? I could take this thing out. No. Someone tell me no for that. But yeah. Let's put this back in here and all that. Yeah. Anyway. God bless and peace. If God is for us, who can be against us? It's been Post-Box Survival. Hubby Slug Wasteland. God bless and peace. This is, yeah. You know what? I'm just going to just take this. No, I already have one of these. So I should just keep this in here as is. Anyway. God bless and peace. If God is for us, who can be against us? And it closes.